Your journey in skilled trades starts at the Center for Skilled Trades and Technology.
I typically describe our program as taking you through the complete realm of woodworking equipment, from hand tools to portable power tools, standard machinery to computerized equipment. We have a 3-semester industrial woodworking diploma, and we have a 2-semester furniture and cabinet making certificate.
This program has one of the most hands-on experience. It has a really high quantity of different varieties, and I think that's kind of what I was looking for.
What attracted me to Humber was the lab. I think it's like a 10,000 square foot lab. It's big.
We have large hydraulic presses, we have panel saws, we have shapers, CNCs. So it starts with the smallest of details and we go to the larger equipment as well, and students get their hands on all of them.
It's a challenging program, but it's a really rewarding program. The things you're going to do here are going to be so much fun, and you're going to learn and grow a lot.
Honestly, it's a program that you can see the actual result of what you're doing, because then you can go into a field, you can feel proud of your work, and you can see it hands-on. 100% would recommend the program.